right here is your power steering and all of it. In case you don't know how this works to where you can actually do something about it, here's your best way to do it. Okay, that way here's the key, folks. To adjust that bolt that you see right there for your power steering, you have to take your shield loose, and that's not a hard job. All you need to do is just use a 10mm socket to adjust your bolts that hold up your splash guard, and when you do that, you can just open it up and you're able to access that bolt right there, this one right here. That way you can adjust your power steering belt. So make sure that you remove your splash guard first before you start that job. Once you've got your belt into place that you've just redone for your power steering, like right here, as I said, you adjust this pivot bolt right here that I got my hand on while forcing this back. So basically the easiest way is to have your hand right here, force it back while you tighten this bolt right here. And then after you do that, you go underneath the car and you tighten that bolt, and that will secure the entire power steering pump into place. And then you have successfully refurbished or changed out your power steering belt for a 94GO Prizm.